Alright, this is a short training on importing and exporting Civil 3D points. So I have a point file that a surveyor sent me. They went out and surveyed pavement replacement limits, and they sent me this file. This is a point file. This column is the point number. This column is the northing column. This point is the easting. This point is the Z elevation. And this point is the description, or the ABEB as-built edge of pavement. So I'm going to import these points into my file. So this is my file. If you come on the Home tab, under Points, Point Creation Tools, click on that, and there's this little icon over here. It says Import Points. So you click on it and browse to your file. And here you have to specify what format it's in. So point, northing, easting, Z elevation, and D description. So if you click on it, it gives you kind of a preview. It says this is how I'm reading it, this is how I'm going to import it, does that look correct? It does. We click OK, and it imports all the points. I'm not in a Civil 3D file, so I don't have the styles in. Change the style if you'd like. You can change it in your properties here. I don't have a lot of styles. Civil 3D file, but that's how you would change it. So that's if you want. You can change what it displays here in the point style. Conversely, if we have a set of points and we want to export, we do it here to the point groups. You right click, you do export points. Sorry, going back, these are just a bunch of points I have that look like our pothole block. They're for potholes, so you can send to like the contractor. So right click, export points, specify the format again that it's in, or that you want it to be in. Say where you want it to be, and click OK. I saw that open. Try that again. I might have had that file open. Export points, browse, click OK. That exports the points, and that's what they look like. Point, northing, easting, elevation, the Z value, and then the description, which my descriptions are a little bit lacking. And that's how you import and export points.